Danger of injury and other unforeseeable consequences in the event of improper use. Before using the machine for the first time, read the operating manual and keep it for later use and to pass on to any subsequent users. How to move the skids. Notice the space marked on the pallet where the fork truck blades should pick up each pallet. The machines are top-heavy, so it is important to be careful and follow directions exactly. There will be 3 pallets for each shipment. Know where you are going to place the machines. Make sure there is ample room surrounding each pallet to unwrap the machine and remove it from the pallet. Unwrapping the machines. The machines are packed in layers. There will be 2 bands holding the cardboard covering. Cut both bands. With 1 person in front and 1 person in the back, lift the cardboard covering off the machine. Remove the shrink wrap and cut the bands. Set aside the tray and remove the rest of the cardboard. How to take the machines off the pallets. Start by removing the optional ramps. Open the door and knock out blocks. The pallets will be marked where you should lift from. Using a forklift, remove from the pallet. The conveyor should be positioned in the back of the shredder and near the correct outlet. Unwrap the conveyor. Have someone help stabilize the conveyor as it is being removed from the pallet. Using a forklift, remove the conveyor from the pallet. How to install the conveyor with the shredder. At the final installation site, lock the front casters by pressing down the brake lever. Complete this task from the inside of the document shredder. Loosen bolts on cross brace. Remove back panel. The plate on the back of the shredder was only installed as a transport lock. Only at the final installation site of the document shredder. Remove the plate by undoing the bolted 2 joints. Attach conveyor to shredder. Push the conveyor belt into the document shredder. Ensure that the rubber seals lie outside the guide plates. Additionally, bolt the conveyor belt tightly to the frame on the left and right side. Use the 4 screws which you previously removed when dismantling the transport plate. The assembly is done through the openings in the plate of the conveyor belt. Snap plastic covers into openings. Attach warning light. Unwrap the light. Unscrew all 4 screws. Tie the cable and insert into hole. Attach light with the 4 screws. Install the tray. Fasten the tray on both sides at the top with the 2 screws and at the bottom with the 4 nuts. Inside of the document shredder. Bolt the conveyor belt to the crossbar with 2 screws. Attach the connector and coupling. The plug you'll find inside the left whaler of the base frame. Fill oil reserve. Attach oil reservoir. Fill the reservoir with cutting apparatus oil. Before using the document shredder for the first time, fill up the reservoir with the HSM cutting apparatus oil supplied. The reservoir volume is 10.14 ounces. Only use the special oil from HSM at all times. Insert the machine's power plug into the connection socket. Extension cables are not permitted.